Oh, hi there. Hi. Today is trial 2 of trying to resurrect Scully Tunn here. My boy. Today we're gonna see if a little bit of rock and roll can wake his spirit. I'm Tom Cruise. Alright, yeah. Oh my. Oh no. Okay. So, the conclusion has been made. Just a little bit of rock and roll can resurrect a soul. We'll try again tomorrow.